Many of you probably have seen over the last 24 to 48 hours that there are reports circulating that the United States and the IRS are not going to tax crypto gains that are derived from staking or mining. Well, before we get too into this may not actually be exactly true. So let's dig into exactly what's happening here. First, there's a couple in Nashville, Tennessee, the Jarretts. They have requested a refund of $3,293 of income tax that they previously paid in 2019 after they received 8,800 Tezos tokens. The couple's also seeking a $500 increase in tax credits for lost income. The IRS and the courts have been looking at this case in detail. The reason why is that these tokens were obtained through proof-of-stake protocols. Those are taxpayer-created property, according to the Jarretts. And taxpayer-created property is not actually supposed to be taxed until it is sold or exchanged. And so ultimately, what the government, the IRS, the courts, etc. are all going to have to decide is how are they going to treat these staking tokens. Well, the IRS decided that they should refund the taxes related to those unsold Tezos tokens. That refund would be a reward that could have proven exactly what the Jarretts are claiming. But the plaintiffs rejected that refund, and they want a formal policy statement. Obviously, they are spending a lot of money, and it's not simply to recoup $3,000 or to get $500 worth of lost income. They are trying to force the hand of the IRS and the government and the courts to say, if we stake and actually receive tokens from staking, or if we mine tokens and do not sell or exchange them, do we have to pay taxes on them or not? This would be a massive, massive boom to the industry if all of a sudden every single miner could say, I don't have to pay taxes on what I mine until I either sell the tokens or I exchange them for another one. Same could be said for proof-of-stake blockchains as well. Now, it is important to understand the reason why I say that the mainstream narrative that the IRS will not tax crypto in 2022 may not exactly be true is because the IRS is simply trying to offer a refund here. There has been no policy updated. There has been no definitive agreement yet. The hope of the industry is that that is coming, but we do not have it yet. And so ultimately, what we are all waiting for is to see where this case ends up. If the Jarretts prevail and the IRS says that proof-of-stake tokens that you accumulate and do not sell or exchange, or tokens that are accumulated through the mining process that you do not sell or exchange, there is no taxation on it. All of a sudden, I think you'll see an absolute tailwind for those types of activities in the crypto industry. There's billions of dollars of value being created. And if you don't have to pay income tax, if you don't have to pay capital gains tax until you sell or exchange them, that's going to be a really, really big deal.